Do you sell food and beverages? Wondering how to optimize your e-commerce strategy? We've got 3 key ingredients for you. E-commerce success guaranteed. 1. Put your customers front and center. We can't say it enough. Know your customer preferences. Use tools like your e-commerce platform analytics or heat mapping. They'll help you understand how visitors interact with your online store. This way, you'll understand your customers better and make the best decision to exceed their expectations, improving site conversions and building loyalty to your brand. 2. Choose the best tools for the job. Just because you can cut a steak with a Swiss Army knife, it doesn't mean you should. An all-in-one solution may sound nice, but it's rarely suitable for everything. Look for a solution that offers a solid foundation. This allows a lot of flexibility, so you can integrate your existing systems and all the ones you might need in the future. 3. Create a unified experience across channels. Did you know that marketing across 3 or more channels generates 250% increased engagement? Or that fulfillment options like click and collect are on the rise across Europe? If you're not investing in omnichannel commerce, you're missing out. If you are, focus on having a unified and cohesive experience at every touch point. Provide the same great experience from store to marketplaces to your own site. Now go on! Add those 3 key ingredients into your e-commerce strategy. You'll easily deliver an online experience that delights all palates after that. All this and more advice unavailable in our e-commerce cookbook for food and beverage brands.